Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today we're going to work on taking two O2 sensors, making them one. We're going to work through all this stuff right here, and it's my birthday, so wish me happy birthday. And Steven and Philip are bringing stuff in. So, all right, here we go. Alright guys, so I'm going to work through the voiceover section here. We had some music playing in the background and everybody was talking, so I didn't want to catch all that stuff and end up getting a copyright claim. So here's the deal. Basically, I'm pulling these wires apart, pulling the harnesses from the factory setup that we had, creating a single plug, like I said in the intro there. But what I'm doing now, that you can't see here under the video, is actually writing down which they're labeled, so A, B, C, D, and that's what the part is there that's on the table. And basically I'm lining up each wire to the connector that is on the wire that is attached to the Camaro plug that we got from Will Towler. After labeling all the wires and on our little sketch area there, I'm taking the time to go through and connect them all, heat shrink and solder, which you see here, which is going, I'm putting it on time lapse for you guys because this was a lot longer than what you would care to watch. So that's what we're doing now. Alright guys, all done, wired up. Now we gotta cut these off. Come down there to that. And then we will put this on. Alright guys, benefit to this is obviously we're going to connect those two plugs there. Going to run it around here into one. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the spot down there. And then I can pull these. I can pull the driver's side over there somewhere and I can plug them in and we'll get it all hooked up.